Hello, what's up guys? My name is Solomon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about why you should start a YouTube channel. I'm going to remove all the leaves at the same time. I'm gonna talk to you guys why you should start a YouTube channel. Okay? Please keep on watching and you gonna know. Oh my god, this is not going well. So I'm gonna pluck with my bare hand. Let me start right away. First, there's no pressure in it. Anytime, any place, anywhere where there is a stability of network, you can start. There is no specific uniform or a dress you should wear in upload. Whatever you wear, you can, and there is no complaint by YouTube. Once you monetize or join a YouTube partner program, anything, any video or any scene which you upload, there is always something you get back. You know what I'm saying? Slowly it's coming down. If you want to be a content creator and you upload something, one possibility is that your video may go viral and get a good amount of subscriber or some amount of revenue once you monetize. So high chances of getting viral your videos. You can create your own and put on YouTube, share your knowledge to people, to the community, what you know, and then let the people get educated. Best platform to earn for your living. If you are a consistent creator like me, I don't usually create all the time. Anytime, whenever I want it, I just upload. And you can know if you are a YouTube partner program, you will know how much I might be getting. I don't get what people thinking about. So constantly, if we begin to create, I hope there's always something in return. I'm not literally busy all around that I cannot create, but something just stopped me, though it's going to be finished. Once you are a content creator, people will begin to know you and say like, oh my god, are you the one in YouTube? Something like that. Oh, I saw your video, or I subscribe your channel. And they will begin to see you, and that's something we feel at ease. If you are a content creator, in your mindset, you will like people to know you. If you are rational in YouTube, there is no any content you cannot upload. When I just pluck off all the leaves and branches, chili becomes so few. I don't know how do you call this chili, but in my region we call it this as, how do we call it? In my dialect we call it imekushi. Let me tell you how you should become a YouTube partner program. Basically, what is requirement? I'm gonna tell you all. First thing, you have to achieve 1,000 subscriber. Next, the mission is in 1 year you have to get a total watch hour of 4,000. In case if you could not reach 4,000 in a year, automatically your WhatsApp will minimize again. So you have to work, continue to achieve the WhatsApp and the subscriber. Once you get you reach all those things, automatically they will send you in your account, basically in email, that you have to follow the step to get monetized. And gradually, once you get monetized and reach some kind of amount of like 10 15 $15, they will send your AdSense pin code to verify that you are the legit person and the owner of the channel you run for. Then later on, it's up to you how you manage to run your channel. You know what I'm saying? Let me plug it down. Take away. 1, 2, 3. A lot. That's in just a small chili tree. I got so many. Yeah, that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in the video.